Okay. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
On June 18th, 2024, just past 8 a.m., deputies from the Kane County Sheriff's Office in Aurora, Illinois, were responding to a warrant service when the situation escalated into a violent arrest call. Officers had been dispatched to serve a warrant for aggravated domestic battery and strangulation. During the attempt to take the suspect into custody, the individual began actively resisting arrest, prompting deputies to call for emergency assistance. Moments later, as another Kane County deputy raced to the scene with lights and sirens activated, his marked squad car collided with another vehicle at an intersection, leaving the deputy with serious facial and torso injuries and forcing a rush to a local hospital.
Nothing. So, why did I get called here?
Because I was scared to go in my house.
Is he in the car?
No.
Go ahead and step out with me.
Man, I didn't even do shit.
Dude, get the f down. Hey, you're not free to fucking... Foot pursuit. Running north on Hawthorne.
3223 is 3220 is
Running west across Bell. Get the fuck! You're gonna get tased.
Okay, man.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground! Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased. Get the Where's that bell? Dude, just get over.
See your red on alligators?
It's not moving.
Do you want your location?
I'm scared of the one.
Secure.
What are you running for, bro?
Because you're about to take me to jail.
Anybody else we're looking for?
Negative. Yeah. Yep. Got any weapons?
No.
It's not moving.
How about a buddy, bro? Oh, absolutely.
Sit down. Talk to me. What's going on?
Well, he's been doing drugs and he likes to come to my house to try to get off of it, and
Okay.
so he was
Yeah, you're fine.
suffocating me last night. And
Okay.
then when I went to take my baby to school today, I wanted to tell Bree because I didn't want to go back there with him.
Okay.
This shit just happens every week.
Is he supposed to be at your house?
There ain't nothing saying he's not allowed to be at
But
her.
he don't.
He doesn't live there though.
No, but they said
But he
since
comes
we're
there all the time?
married that it didn't matter because the last
Oh, you're
officer
married?
that I called said he could break everything in the house because we're married.
You're married.
Yes.
Is the house yours together?
No. I'm renting it all in my name.
Okay, but
10-4.
okay. So he was at your house.
And how'd you get in the van?
He came to get in the van and wanted me to take him away from there. He
Okay.
actually wanted me to hit the curb and go past you guys.
Yeah, I got it on video when
Definitely didn't want me to stop for you.
I told her not to go in the house. She doesn't go in the house. I'm parked down the street watching through my mirror, and he runs out to the van and he just kept going. I mean, both sides, and he just kept telling Crystal, "Let's go," and then he hollered my name, started walking towards me, and that's when I peeled off.
Okay.
I mean,
So what did you do when you came outside? I'm sorry.
He wanted me to take him
Okay.
somewhere, but then he started walking down the road.
And then you picked him up, or?
No, he got in the van and said that we needed to go.
Okay. What did he say to you again?
He just said, "Bree, don't do this," while I was recording
Okay.
him and started coming towards my car.
I got you.
I mean, I don't give a shit. He's the biggest piece of shit I've
Okay.
fucking known.
How long you guys been together?
4 years.
4 years?
He just got out of prison in
He just got out?
May.
Okay. You guys got any kids?
Yeah.
How many?
One.
You have any previous domestics involving us?
We actually have one right now that I just got a week ago.
A week
or
ago.
2 weeks
Two.
ago, maybe.
Okay. Just one, though?
Yeah.
Do you know how to get an order of protection against him?
Do I know how?
How?
I mean, you got to go to the courthouse and
And
file
Edwardsville?
for it.
Yeah. I'd recommend doing that for sure. But does he have like keys to your house or anything?
I think he has a key to my house because I've been missing our house key for a little bit.
Okay, but like he's allowed to be there though. Like
Yeah, and if I don't let him in, he's kicking in the door. So.
okay, gotcha. Well, today I know he has a warrant, so he's gonna come with me for that, and then he's gonna get some other stuff for the other.
This shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I stopped to tell you, hey, they're right there in that van.
Yeah.
I guess he got
Oh,
away.
I didn't know that you guys had it.
Oh yeah, we.
I thought you were chasing me. My bad. I thought you. That's why I asked you
Okay.
about the jacket.
Yeah, I gotcha. All right.
Stay in that fucking
You need
guy.
anything else?
No, can I tell him bye?
Piece of shit. God damn.
Do you really want to?
Yeah.
After all this, you want to?
Crystal.
Whatever, I guess. Yeah.
I can't breathe, man.
Yeah, you can. The window's down.
No, I'm not okay. Oh, my daughter, my Thanksgiving, my
Okay,
Christmas.
say goodbye and let's go.
Huh? I love you. Do you want me to call or no?
Are you okay again?
No.
Come on, Crystal. How you go find my glasses? I guess they fell off somewhere.
Yeah, let's go to the other side.
Go to the other side.
My shoes fell off.
I don't care.
Turn your back to us.
Sorry. Can you get it?
Yeah, I can get a finger in there, man. You're good.
I followed you, but kudos on it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
No, I live right here, right?
Yeah.
And I heard fuck you or fucking get down or something.
Yeah.
And as soon as I looked out the window, I saw him darted, so I threw my pants on, threw my 38 in my fucking pocket, and ran after
I
you.
appreciate you, sir.
Because you were by yourself.
Yeah.
Glad you got your glasses.
Me too. I appreciate you, sir.
I mean, yeah. If I had my dog, it would have been with me. I don't have him no more.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hey, kudos, brother.
The injured deputy was transported to the hospital with serious injuries, while the suspect involved in the original incident was taken into custody. Authorities say the crash remains under investigation, and officials continue to remind the public of the extreme risks officers face every time they respond to emergency calls. This footage and report highlight how quickly routine police work can turn dangerous, and how one call for backup can change lives in seconds. As always, this video is shared for educational and public awareness purposes. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.